Hello my dear students. Today I will discuss about nested if-else statement. The topic name is Conditional Construct in Java Part 4. The next slide is about nested if-else statement. What is the meaning of nested? Nested means that one statement contains another same kinds of statement in its block. What is the meaning of nested if-else statement? A if-else statement contains another if-else statement in its own block, either if block or else block, or in both blocks of if-else statement is known as nested if-else statement. When a if-else statement contains another if-else statement, outer one is known as outer if-else statement and inner one is known as inner if-else statement. The next slide is about syntax of nested if-else statement. Syntax 1. If test expression 1 satisfied, then inside this if-else statement, another if-else statement, that is test expression 2, will be executed. Test expression 2 also satisfied, then statement 2 will be executed. If it is not satisfied, then statement 3 will be executed. If test expression 1 is false, then statement 4 will be executed. This is the first form of nested if-else statement. The next form is that where else block contain another inner if-else statement. That is, if test expression 1, if it is not satisfied, then the program control directly reach to the else statement and it execute the statement 4. After that, it execute the test expression 2. If test expression 2 is satisfied, then statement 2 will be executed, and if it is not satisfied, then statement 3 will be executed. In first syntax, if block contain another if else statement, and second syntax, else block contains another if else statement. The next slide contains the third form of nested if-else statement. Syntax 3. If test expression 1, then it contains one inner if-else statement, that is test expression 2 will be satisfied, then statement 2 will be executed. Otherwise, statement 3 will be executed. But if test expression 1 is false, then program control directly execute the else block, that is outer else block. A outer else block contain another inner if-else statement. If test expression 3 is satisfied, then statement 4 will be executed. If test expression 3 is false, then statement 5 will be executed. So, this is the third form of nested if-else statement. In this form, if block contains one inner if-else statement and as well as else block also contains another inner if-else statement. The next slide is about a program using nested if-else statement. The program is: write a Java program to input a number and to check the number is a positive number or negative number using nested if-else statement. The program is: import java.util.asterisk semicolon importing packages public class number 1 start curly braces declaring class. Number 1 is the name of the class. Public static void main string args start curly braces defining main. Here, arg stands for argument. Scanner SC equals to new scanner within parenthesis system.in, close the parenthesis, semicolon, preparing for input. Scanner class is defined in java.util package. System.out.println, start parenthesis within double quotes, input a number, close the double quotes, parenthesis, semicolon, asking for input. Int num equals to ac.nextInt, start parenthesis, close parenthesis, semicolon. Num is a integer type of variable. It is used for taking input from the user. NextInt method is defined inside the scanner class. If within parenthesis num greater than 0, close parenthesis, comparing using relational operator. Here greater than is the relational operator. The user is checking here the number is greater than from the 0. If this condition is satisfied, then a block of statement will be executed. This block is called if block. Start curly braces, start of if block, system.out, println, the number is a positive number. Close the double quotes, parenthesis, semicolon. Close the curly braces, end of if block. The next slide contains the next part of the program. If condition is not satisfied, then else block will be executed. Here else block contains another if-else statement. This if-else statement is known as inner if-else statements. Else, start curly braces, start of outer else block. If num less than equals to 0. Here the condition is that the number is less than from the 0. Then system.out println, the number is a negative number. If this condition not satisfied, then the else part will be executed, that is the number is a 0. System.out println, the number is a 0. End of 3 curly braces. End of outer else block, end of main and end of class. In this program, I have discussed if a number greater than from 0, the number is a positive number. But if the number is less than from the 0, then the outer else block will be executed, and outer else block contains another if-else statement. And that if-else statement will check that number is less than from 0. If it is true, then number is a negative number. Otherwise, the number is a 0. So, the output is input a number -20, the number is a negative number. Input a number 0, the number is 0. Student, in this session, I have discussed about nested if-else statement. Hope all of you have understand this part of the chapter very well. Students, please write down these programs in your copy, what I have discussed in my previous videos. That's all for now. Thank you.